Good morning, everyone. So this morning I'm gonna be resurfacing this table. I have a dark color on top. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it like a little like a dry brush silver on it to give it a different look on the top of it, to make it a little lighter. So that's what I'm gonna do, resurfacing the top of a table, dry brushing it with silver. Okay, so this is the paint that I'm using, and so you can paint furniture, anything that you have at home. I know it's a mess, but it's the leftovers that I have, and it's the rust oleum, and you can get this at any of your hardware stores or at the Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever you have closer to you. See how the paint is. I added a little thinner in it, and it's now ready to be used. Okay, so as you see, the other end is not done, but this end is finished. So I'm going to show you when the table is all done. Okay, so you get the idea. You want to go the same way you're brushing, in one direction, so you don't have all these crisscross lines of your brush. One direction, right to left or left to right. Okay guys, so I refinished the surface of the table, and this is the outcome I want. So I'm gonna let it dry, and it's all finished. I used silver over black, so I dry brushed the top and did the edges with silver solid, and then so the top is finished. Now I'm gonna let you know when I'm finished and staging it with some chairs. Okay guys, this is the end result of my do-it-yourself tabletop surface, and I put the chairs around it, and they are great. If you watch my videos, I show you how to do the chairs. So I have velvet silver fabric on the seating of the chair that has the cushion part, and then I painted it gray. And again, you can use any color you would like that matches your decor inside your house, but this is the one that I chose for myself. And so it's all finished, and I will give you a closer look. And it's dry and it's very smooth, and again, you can do it also for your own decor, and you can choose whatever color you like. Again, thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for your patience, and I hope to see you on the next do-it-yourself project. Thank you.